Happy Monday, everyone. A client asked me to talk about first-time home buyer programs, and here it is. If you're a first-time home buyer or haven't owned a home for the past 3 years, this information is for you. The City of San Diego has an amazing program called SDDA, which helps home buyers with down payment of up to 17% of the purchase price. Average purchase price for this type of program is $450,000. The city will help you with about $76,000 towards your down payment. The city requires 3% from the buyer's own funds, which is about $13,000 from your own funds. Using this program will save you about $760 per month versus using a traditional FHA. Now, if you don't have the 3% down payment this program requires, we have another program that will help you. It only needs 1% of your own funds, which is less than $5,000 to get into your new home. If you're currently renting and are interested in becoming a homeowner, please private message me. Let me know how much you currently pay in rent and how big is your place. I will calculate how much a mortgage payment be like for something similar to what you have. Hopefully this will give you a good idea and help you take the first step into home ownership. This is it for today's market update. I'll see you next week with more useful information.